You searched how to buy shares of Stoke Therapeutics Inc., and this video walks through the practical steps to purchase STOK. Stoke Therapeutics is a biotechnology company developing genetic therapies, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker STOK, and this guide is educational only, not investment advice. To buy STOK, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STOK to find the listing quickly. Select the result that matches Stoke Therapeutics Inc. to open the official stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ, ticker STOK, to ensure you have the correct asset. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the transaction. After the order is confirmed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the broker used in this example is in the description if you want to learn more.